JR Connerly here with the RV Shop, and today we have a nice one. This is a brand new arrival. This is a 2026 Thor Talavera 1930. 1930 is the floor plan for this model. And you'll notice right off the bat, this is a very compact van. This van is right at 20 foot long. It's on a brand new chassis from Ford. It's going to have all your latest safety features. It has the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, 310 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque, so extremely powerful. It can actually tow 6,000 pounds. So this thing is actually going to be small enough that you can use it as a daily driver, but it's big enough and practical enough to where you can make a nice weekend getaway with it. So let's walk around and check out some of the features. So this is an all-wheel drive Ford Transit Trail chassis, and check this out. This little step rail right here is rugged, and it's like it's rhino liner coating on it, so it's going to be very durable, and it's going to hold up to the elements. Got your black wheels. This color is really pretty. It's called avalanche gray. It looks really nice depending on the shadows and the way the sun hits it. This chassis is going to have blind spot monitoring already built in. You're going to have your parking sensors. All right, so we get over here to the service side. You're going to have your 30 amp connection. You're going to have, if you're at a campground and they still have coax, this is your coax in, and you also have coax on the opposite side as well if you want to mirror from an inside TV that you may have installed. This one is already prepped for Starlink. This is your Starlink hookup, and it also has room for additional solar. So you have it comes with a 200-watt solar panel, but if you wanted to have extra solar, you could plug it in right here. This is going to be the exhaust for your Truma combo furnace and water heater. This right here is a storage tube for your cassette toilet. We're going to go over that in a minute too. This is where you would fill your onboard fresh water tank, and it's 20 gallons. So there's 20 gallons fresh and there's 20 gallons gray on this particular van, which is a decent sized storage tank for a van of this size. If you're at a campground or somewhere where you have a faucet and you want to plug in right here, so this will bypass your onboard tank. This is called your city fill. You do have a generator on this one, so it's a 2,800 watt gas generator, so it's going to feed off the same tank as your engine. So it's a 31 gallon fuel tank. So, I mean, that's a long run time if you're just wanting to do some boondocking off the grid, which this thing is completely capable of doing. It'll allow you to be off the grid for an extremely long time. So again, your markings over here, you have all-wheel drive EcoBoost engine like we went over. This is the Transit 350 series chassis. I'm going to go ahead and open up the back, show you a few cool features. It does have your hitch down below. Like I said, 6,000 pounds. Previously, a lot of these models only had a 5,000 pound limit. Now it's 6,000. So these doors, this is the normal limit that they open out. So you also have a cool feature that if you wanted to extend this 270 degrees, you push this little unlock button and it'll allow you to open this door all the way out to give you a lot more space, and you can do it on both sides. So you do have a little storage nook in here that comes with outside shower. This is your spray port, so you just simply plug it in right here and it allows you to wash your hands or spray off the dog's feet or anything like that. Your cassette toilet. So a lot of people don't really know how these operate. So instead of having a black tank drain, a gravity drain below, you simply use the toilet like you normally would. You have a little flush feature. And then when you need to dump it after the end of your trip, this is your cassette. So you pull it out. Make sure it's unlocked. Pull it out. And this is how you will dump your waste. Take this off and allows you to dump it. It's the same places that you would do a traditional RV dump system. You have your shower in here. This is a wet bath. With a shower curtain, you just simply go all the way around with your shower curtain, keep everything dry. And then you have your sink right here, and it stows away real nice. What a clever design to maximize your space. And up top, you'll notice that you have a little medicine cabinet with a mirror as well. You make your way over to this side, you will have a set of drawers and a closet for hanging your clothes here in the back. Let's go inside and check this thing. Also notice on this side you do have a power awning, a Thule crown power awning, really nice. All Thor Class B vans come with a 2-year warranty. That is really the best in the industry for vans. Most of them only come with a 1-year warranty. So Thor does stand behind their B Class vans. Opening up, first thing you're going to notice, you do have a screen. It's a zipper screen. So if the weather's real nice, you just want to keep the bugs out, you can just open up your screen. This is where you're going to turn on your master power. It does come with a 1,000 watt inverter. You have your onboard fire extinguisher. As you work your way in, these seats are really nice and comfortable, and I love the look. It's kind of like an antique beige, a little bit of gray hint to it. Now you can spin this around, so even though it's a smaller van, it's only 20 foot long, really maximizes the usable space in here. So if you wanted to relax up here, you could. You'll notice that you have a huge screen. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, just a really nice size screen up here. Very easy to get in and out, so you notice there's nothing really blocking your headspace in here. So if I wanted to hop right into the driver's seat, and I'm right at 6 foot tall, and so it's easy to ingress and egress out of here. So over here, you got your nice little countertop space. Decent sized sink for the this class. You have a dorm style fridge with a little freezer compartment in here as well. So for those of you who like to cook, you have this. For one, if you have a single burner induction cooktop in here, you can pull out if you needed to cook something. And then you have this little clever board on top that you can use for additional counter space. So if you're using it, you wanted to put your induction cooktop right here, you have some nice prep space as well. Just clever use of your space in here. Up top, you're going to have your microwave. Pretty standard microwave. Making your way around here, one of the things that's on some of the newer Thor vans is you actually have the Firefly control system. It's quite an upgrade over the previous Android-based systems, BM Pros and things like that. Just really nice, very intuitive. You hit lighting, it does exactly what you think it's going to do. And so you can turn, just with the press of a button, turn each one of your lights on and off, and it also has a dimming feature on each one. Interior and exterior lights. Quickly access your tank levels, and your onboard tanks do have tank heaters as well. AC control, so you got a roof air, and you have a this up here is your trim control. This is where you're going to turn on your water heater or your furnace in here if it's really cold. Now, one of the nice things about this size is you could, if you really wanted to, you could use your dash AC to warm and cool this size of space. It's really nice. So, back here, your sleeping area, this does sleep two. So, you have two twin beds. If you wanted to throw these down out of the way, you have two nice twin beds. But you can also slide this on over, and it clips into this side, and use these cushions to fill in the middle, and you have a big king size bed. You do have extra seat belts in here, as you can see. So very clever. Most people, when they get this, they like the twin bed layout so they can use it as two twin beds. Most people don't really pull it together, but you do have that ability. Most like the twin beds because in the middle of the night, if you need to use the bathroom, you can get in and out, which makes it nice. You can see these wires hanging out. This is prepped for a TV. So you see your outlet right here. and it's reinforced back here. So if you wanted to plug in a TV, hook up a TV, you could. You have these cassette style privacy windows, which are really nice for the class. A lot of people really cut corners on the blinds here. These are actually really nicely done all the way around. This window can open, give you some fresh air. All right, so over up top, you're going to have nice storage compartments all the way around. And inside this compartment right here, if you wanted to install hook up a DVD player or a game system, there's an HDMI in and a 110 household style outlet inside that compartment. I just absolutely love the simplicity of this van. It allows you to be spontaneous, gives you the freedom to just grab the keys and go on a quick trip without putting much thought into it. The size, you can park this thing in a standard Walmart parking spot. It's all-wheel drive, so you can get off the beaten path, go anywhere. This is just a really nice package for a weekend getaway. My name is J.R. Connerly here at the RV Shop. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested, give us a call at 225-272-8000 or visit us on the web at www.rvshoponline.com. Thank you.